Alright guys, so welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today being the first time you stepping into our channel, all I'll tell you is this: make sure you finish this video and share, like, subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification button so that you can get more of our video. At the same time, we are into selling of skincare recipe, organic product, or cosmetic. Being wherever you are in this world, like we ship goods outside every day, every now and then. Also, any kind of skincare recipe you just need, all you need to do, don't be scared. Don't say, oh, these people trustworthy. Trust me, we are original. We are original. We ship to US, Canada, London, India, Asia country, wherever you just name it. Be where you are right now, we can as well ship our skincare or product to you, or the recipe or whatever. Just name it for the organic ingredient you need. Just call at us, or they send to you wherever you are. It is genuine, very, very genuine. Okay, in a quick one here, what are we doing today? Today we're about Promixing a very whitening cream. How do we do this? How do we go about it? This cream we're about Promixing, as a matter of fact, this cream is a nice cream. It's 100% free from hydroquinone and 100% free from any skin irritation, 100% free from any blemishes that you'll be thinking of. That, oh, come on. And funny enough, it's just less expensive. You see it? So in a quick one, what are we using to? What are the ingredients we'll be using? First of all, we'll be using our #1 base cream, which is Cefi 24 hours booster tone. This cream is a nice cream. Come on, what really make me to go into this cream and know more about it was that, like, in a week I sell over 2,000 pieces of it. Come on, and most of the Americans, they call for the cream. No, come on, do you have this cream? Do you have this cream? I said, really? So I said, okay, let me see about this cream, which I have to really talk about it. And before then, I gave to somebody also, come on, confirm this cream by using it, which she did, and found out that, come on, what I did say is 100%. So quick one, yeah, this cream is a Cefi 24 hours whitening cream. The cream is kind of cream that you can really use for all skin type, not just one skin. And I call it a double impact cream, because one is for whitening, and again also it moisturizes your skin. Are you getting it? And it's hydroquinone free. You know, like anything hydroquinone in America is be banned. You know the reason why it's been banned, because it has its own side effect. It might have some positive side. It has its own side effect. In America, it's been banned because it reduces the formation of the melanin in your skin. Yes, and you all know what melanin does in the body. Are you getting it? That is what really generates the brown color, the color in your skin. So anyway, we are not going to that deep much, so we continue about the cream. So this cream, it moisturizes your skin, and at the same time it contains butane and collagen. So and it's a strong whitening cream that you can use as your base. Yes, you can see it on the screen. Are you getting it? And we have different colors of it. And another thing about this Cefi 24 hours whitening booster, it's not just a fast action only. This cream basically it cleans dark knuckles very well. It cleans dark knuckles very well, and it gives you this whitening undertone color instead of giving you gold yellow undertone. No, it gives you this whitening undertone color, so you see the white, how white it is. So it's a powerful cream, including the oil, which is the serum. Very awesome. Awesome when you mix the both of them. So quick one, yeah, Here is our BB Clear, and as a matter of fact, this BB Clear, it contains all the property it needs to correct your skin. Are you getting it? You know, it's a matter of fact, it's a skin corrector. Are you getting it? It has this A, you can see it has this AHA, which is a alpha hydroxy acid, which is a lot of property that to correct the skin. Talk of skin irritation, and talk of blemishes, melasma, eczema. Yeah, you getting it? So at least with this oil, BB Clear is gonna cleanse all that. So we have that alongside with it. So at least with this BB Clear, you can see that you're free from blemishes, you're free from skin irritations totally when you add this to it. We have our nationwide tube cream. Are you getting it? We'll be using this tube, you know, for 3 shades as a whitening cream, and then we have our Japanese body treating oil too. This oil is a lightening oil and it moisturizes your skin. Are you getting it? It treats it. Yes, of course, it treats your body very smooth and it glue your body skin too. You see, so at the same time also we'll be using glutathione powder. Are you getting it? So that we make use of this all of it to make it go smoothly. You go take out your selfie lotion, scoop it out into your plate. Are you getting it? Because it draws, so scoop it out into your plate. When you scoop it out into your plate, or let's say put 2 tablespoons is okay for you. Yes, 2 tablespoons is okay, because depend on the quantity you really want to premix. So for me, I said okay, 2 tablespoons. Then the oil, the selfie oil, okay, you add also from the selfie oil, you take 2 spoons. Yes, okay, take 1, depends on what you want, because it's super let's add our BB Clear oil. I want you to work at the same time with me. Give me some seconds. Add your BB Clear oil, 2 of your teaspoons to your lotion. Don't forget the whole process. Okay, then you bring your nationwide tune. Open it. Take the same spoon. Don't forget just the amount you want to use. Are you getting it? Just put half of the spoon to the lotion. Are you getting it? Don't forget, this is just what you want to consume at a time. Okay, so let's add our Japanese treating oil. You know, this oil is super powerful also. Are you getting it? Because it's active for lightening and moisturizing also. It glows the skin very well too, which I've just said. So you're gonna just add 1 spoon of it. Are you getting it? Hence it's just for tonight or the morning time or whenever you want to use it. Then let's add our glutathione powder. Is an active, you know glutathione powder is an active whitening product. So let's add a little, which is 1 tablespoon of that glutathione powder. Then stir together properly. Keep stirring. Like as we said, if you want a larger quantity of it, it's not the same measurement you'll be using. Are you getting it? Okay, so hence is this little you want to consume for that moment. So when you finish stirring, okay, you can now use it, and because it's gonna give you 3 shades lighter. Are you getting it? We're gonna give you 3 shades lighter. And don't forget to bring your testimony when you do this and it works for you. I would want you to return in our comment box. You drop comment how you did it and it worked for you. Are you getting it? So trust me, we've come to the end of this promixing. Don't forget all I've just explained to you. Are you getting it? Based on this quantity we just did now. The quantity, if you're making a larger quantity, is quite different. Yes, it's quite different. So if at all today is your first time of coming up here to watch our video, don't miss by subscribing, and also share, like, and click on your notification bell. Don't forget what I told you earlier, I repeat again. We're into selling of skincare recipe, organic products as well, cosmetic. Are you getting it? Don't be scared. Oh, are these people genuine? We are genuine. We ship worldwide. Trust me, including our skincare promising creams. Yes. So trust me, whatever you feel you want to order, just call out us. We ship everywhere. US, London, Canada, Russia, anywhere, any part of the world, Africa countries, anywhere, just call at us. We're in here for you. So we've come to the end of the promixing. Stay tuned until we come your way next week.